Hello everyone, my name is Sandeep Gupta and this lecture I had choose top 50 GK question by variety of animals and it will help you to increase your knowledge. So the first question is coming for you. The family of curd chewing animals, the cow belongs to the family. The answer to the question is ruminants. Ruminants is the answer of the first question. So the second question is four-footed animals such as horse, cow, monkey, dog, goat, etc. The answer is quadrupeds. And the third answer question is coming animals having a backbone. The answer to the question is vertebrates. And the fourth question is coming a member of the happy family closely resembling men such as gorilla, chimpanzee, Garibon. Answer is anthropoid. Fifth question is eaters of animals' flesh. Answer to the question is carnivore. And the sixth question is a small white horse of western United States of America. The answer is Mustang. Mustang is the answer. Seventh question. A wild goat having long covered horns found in mountain region of Europe, Africa and Asia. Answer is ibex. Ibex. A kind of deer found in North Europe, Siberia, Newfoundland and Canada. The answer to the question is reindeer. Ninth question is a water bird with a long bill and throat punch. Answer to the question is pelican. Pelican is the answer. Study. And the tenth question coming. Semi-aquatic mammals endemic in eastern Australia. Answer is Platypus. Platypus. 11th question. A pounced mammal related to the monkey found in Australia. Koala. Koala. 12th. A group of low water animal. The body is penetrated by numerous channels of pores. The answer is sponge. A small carnivorous mammal seen in Africa and India. It gives a thought fight to the serpents. Answer is mongoose. Mongoose. Flightless bird found in New Zealand. Answer is kiwi. Fifth question. 15 question. It is a sea animal with 8 suckers arms. Answer is octopus. All questions are over. Study and increase your knowledge.